I'm 35 weeks, 1 day pregnant, and for some reason I feel the need to make sure that everything is in the car tomorrow before my doctor's appointment in case I get sent to the hospital. So I am a high-risk pregnancy, and I have a lot of tests tomorrow, NST, ultrasound, a bunch of different things. Ignore the way I look. I'm tired. But I'm going to tell you everything that is packed in my baby's bag. This will be part 1, and then I'm going to show you in a different video everything that I packed in me and my husband's bag. I will link every item that I am able to on my Amazon storefront if you're interested. But here is my diaper bag. It's a bag, but also it's a backpack. Here is a little Ubi diaper holder, and here's his sound machine. Super cute. I got this as a gift, and I absolutely love it from my friend Bailey. In this front pocket here, I have a little I'm here sign, which is so adorable. I also have some lanolin balm, if you know, you know. And then also a few packets of my favorite supplement to drink when I'm breastfeeding. These are by Upspring. I have the flavored berry, and I also have one of the orange mangoes in here. Also a marker for the sign. It's a little Sharpie. Pocket over, I have a spray hand sanitizer because, you know. I have the cutest little binky clip that might be used in some pictures. Going into the main pocket, which is pretty jam-packed. And I packed pretty light because I am not bringing any diapers, wipes, diaper cream, none of that. I'm going to use all of what the hospital provides. Right on top, I have his cute little binky holder. 2 pairs of socks, just his first outfit that he's going to be photographed in, which is, I got this thrifted, but it's a Caden Lane knotted gown. It's rainbow, super cute, and then a blue hat to match. Cute little brother outfit from when his big brothers come to meet him. Winnie the Pooh outfit with a hat and pants. And then I just have some generic onesies and things like that. Going home outfit. So those are all the clothes that I'm bringing. I'm also bringing 2 swaddles. This swaddle is passed down from his older brother, who was also a rainbow baby. So a rainbow swaddle, a plain gray Swaddle Me Velcro swaddle. Bring 4 burp cloths, super cute prints that my mom got him. Assortment of pacifiers, and I know this is controversial on, do you give your breastfed babies pacifiers right away, yes or no, or whatever. With Wyatt, I did not, and then he would never take a pacifier. He would never take a bottle unless I was hospitalized, which I was hospitalized for 4 days when I had mastitis, and I went into septic shock, and my husband basically had to force feed him when he got hungry. So 4 different pasties for him to try. Once we have established that he is latching, I will do that, but it's my own decision there. I'm already leaking, so just in case, you never know. My reusable breast pads by Mom Cozy. These are very soft, very nice. And this is like a wet bag to keep them in. Handprint kit. I did this with Wyatt, and I made a bunch of prints of his handprints because I framed some. I put some in his baby book. I just like to have it. And this is like the inkless kind, so it's even better than the ones I used with him, which was like an ink pad, and it made a mess. So this should be a lot easier. Sink cover, and this one I really like because it has boning in it, so you can see your baby. I plan to have a lot of visitors in the hospital. Not quite sure how many people that I wouldn't really want to breastfeed in front of, so I'd rather just have the cover just in case. Alright, so everything is back in the bag. It's pretty full, but it's not overfilled. I could probably still fit more things in this bag. I love this bag. But like I said, I'm not bringing diapers, no wipes. I'm going to clean the hospital out of that stuff because we're already paying for it. The last thing I'm going to bring is his door hanger that was painted locally by a girl who does them here. And yeah, this will go on his hospital door, and then when we get home I'll put it on his bedroom door. But his room is Winnie the Pooh. I still need to film a video of what his room looks like because it's actually done now. But that's everything for baby. I need to finish packing my bag, and then I will post that as a part 2. So if you want to see what's in my bag, come back for part 2.